In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a customer billing portal in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account, since the billing portal settings apply to the account you currently have open. Next, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click the Settings gear icon. In the Settings area, find the Product Settings section, then click Billing. From there, open Customer Portal. You will then see the option to configure the portal. Click Configure or click Set up Customer Portal, depending on what appears in your dashboard. Once the configuration page opens, choose the billing features you want your customers to access. If you want customers to manage their saved payment details, enable the option to update payment methods. This allows them to add or replace the payment method connected to their account. If you also want customers to manage subscriptions, turn on the subscription management settings. This gives them access to view subscription details and make changes where allowed. If you want customers to be able to end their subscriptions on their own, enable the Cancel Subscriptions option. You can also configure plan switching if you want customers to move between eligible subscription prices. This is useful if you offer upgrades or downgrades and want to let customers handle those changes directly through the portal. After that, turn on Invoice History if you want customers to view or download past invoices. This can be helpful for record keeping and billing transparency. Next, review the branding and business information shown in the portal. Make any updates needed so the portal matches your business identity and gives customers a consistent experience. Then enter your default return URL. This is the page customers will go back to after they finish using the billing portal, so make sure it points to the correct location on your website or app. Once everything looks right, review the full portal configuration and click Save. After saving, you can give customers access by using Stripe's available portal link option or by creating a customer portal session through your website or application. The method you choose depends on how you want customers to enter the portal. Finally, test the customer billing portal to make sure everything works as expected. Confirm that the payment method updates, invoice access, subscription controls, plan changes, and cancellation features you enabled are all functioning properly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.